dust of snow, ice and fire,
Dust
dust
and
of snow,
अच्छा dust of snow.
ice and fire. गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स मालूम है? गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स मालूम, इसका भी वही नाम है. ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी, चोरी की कोणती स्टोरी?
Yes. Anything else?
जस्ट ग्रामर
ऐसे तो only are there from SR copy.
सर ग्रामर.
From SR copy only two are there. Each story and a type of surgery. Okay. And in grammar, as far as I remember, we are done with grammar.
मॉडल
Is different. Letter writing is different. Letter writing is a part of
राइटिंग
writing skills. So in grammar we have seen models and tenses. Actually we have not seen them wholeheartedly. Like partially we have seen that topic. That's the only topic. Otherwise models we have seen completely. And before that I remember subject verb agreement, or it is also known as subject verb concord. Okay. And in writing skills we have seen a letter to the editor, a complaint letter, inquiry letter, and complaint letter, inquiry letter, a letter to the editor. Okay, fine. So let's revise them once. Fine. So not we are not going to revise the writing skills first. We will revise. You are just going to tell me about the poems, what they are all about. Each poem. Okay. Please be quiet.
The ball was which we taught today.
Yes, it was taught today. The ball poem. Yeah. Okay. No noise, please. Yeah. What is it? Sayyam. You were there in the morning class? Why you are not there? That's a famous problem. Network issue. Anything happens? Okay. Fine. All right. So let's have some more discussion on the same topic. Sit up. The ball poem. It is all about a boy losing his dad playing ball, and what does he do then? Becomes happy or unhappy? Okay. Let's see. What do you say? What we saw in the morning?
He became sad, and as you said that if we use something, so we become sad, and we think constantly about bad things.
Yes, continue this. Okay. So what is expected by him? Is there anything the poet expects from that child that he should learn one thing? There is one important word in the poem. You remember which word is that? You all were there in the morning session. That word is epistemology. So what is that? The child should learn epistemology. Like first time he has lost something in his life, the ball which he was playing with. So it has gone into the harbor. It's a water body. So he is completely disappointed and upset. So the poet is expecting that child to learn epistemology. That is the epistemology is understanding the nature of loss. Okay, suppose we have lost something, so it's all right. We can get over that and then carry on our life. Okay, so that boy shouldn't keep on continuing grudging over that, repenting or having a kind of regret that how he has lost it. So he should leave that apart and he should carry his own life. Otherwise he would be in frustration and depression. So this is what the very first thing he has lost in his life, the playing ball. Okay, so that he needs to learn epistemology. He needs to understand that what loss does mean to us. Okay, does that mean everything, or it is a kind of usual and casual thing to be taken place? Is it that? Isn't it? A loss, a kind of that menial loss is a ordinary thing, an ordinary experience. It is not something $1 million question that the ball is lost, so everything is lost. Yes. So what else? How his condition is, how he is behaving there, he is totally upset, he is trembling with fear, and he is just looking with his, there is a word for hopeless eyes, starting from D. Can you follow the lines? Desperate eyes. Okay, so that he is completely desperate to get it. So does it get it back at the end of the poem? No, he doesn't get it. Okay, but he longs to get it, but again he just stands there continuously, he doesn't get it at last. So that the poet was expecting from him to learn that, okay, it's okay, alright, if you have lost it, all fine. And even he was considering of giving him a newer ball, right? So again he denied it. The poet says that no, there is no use of that. Giving him, what was the cost of that ball?
A dime.
A dime. That is 10 cents in US. Okay, it just costs 10 cents. And giving him a newer one would be useless or worthless. Why does he say so?
Because it's not his feelings.
10 cents मतलब
Because his emotions or his some kind of memories were associated with a gone ball. Okay, so that the poet says that it is useless to get him a newer ball, though it costs only a dime. Okay. What else? So that was all about,
ball.
okay, the ball poem. Any other thing we have left here throughout the poem?
Sahabar means.
By the way, I am more excited to know how have you been studying grammar of English. You have been or you have not? You have been somehow, sometime,
Somewhat.
before exams. Okay, and after that, grammar is gone.
नहीं नहीं
Which part of the grammar should be repeated? Okay. One activity, let's have one activity here. Okay, P-R-S-U-H-S-I-O, persuasion.
Grass.
What you are going to do is that try to form some words on your own. Okay, as many as possible for you. But the word, you know that a word in a word.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we already have conducted the activity. Yes. Write it down, write it down. You have to write as many as possible.
So right now we have to.
Write down, yes. Write the word is there. You.
Barkhan.
Yes. And ensure that your word is going to be meaningful. I don't want anyone's name or any country's name or any dog or pig's name. Yes. Jot it down, jot it down. Yeah, you can write anything.
Sir, rare.
Yes, so jot it down. Let me see how many words you can write.
Sir, crucial to be allowed.
The pen. Pen.
Sir, crucial allowed.
The toughest word I have.
Sir, crucial.
S-O-N, son. Okay.
Sir, rare.
Session. S-E.
क्या rare के sign?
Spelling.
Sir.
Yes.
क्या? Sir.
Sir also. Not to be forgotten, sir also is there. The word.
Like
Sir,
double is required.
Only n is once. You cannot have it twice. I-R-O-N, yes.
Iron.
Right? Yes. What does that mean?
RIP.
Right.
RIP.
Acha, P.
RIP is also.
No, that's a shortcut.
So what's the full?
Sir, rest in peace.
Yeah. Only the rule is that if S or any other letter is coming once, so in your word it is going to be once, not twice. Right? Let me see the who can write the highest number. Yes. Highest number I want from somebody. Now, name of someone. That should have a meaning. Has anyone got 20?
CD.
Russia.
It was a country.
No country name, no pet name, no one's name. Again, ran. Actually, there is a one form only. It says forms of the same word. Okay, forms are allowed. Forms are allowed. I don't think so. There are many forms.
Ion. 17. 16. ION.
Ion.
Sir, ion. ION.
Ion. Science ion. That's what. SOUP. Yes. Yeah. Has anyone accomplished 20 words? 20 words? Yeah, 20 is the highest number we have got here.
Sir,
Okay,
Pune.
take your time.
Sir, Pune. Pune.
P-O-N-Q. Right. 21. Anybody going ahead?
19.
21 is less than 21. 19. You write anything. 31. 21.
Sir, sure.
Short.
क्या?
Short.
हो गया.
Spell it out. Short. That's done.
ए
इसको बताना है
25. 25 your competition. No, they are going to be verified. No worries about it. Okay, simply nobody can claim.
us
हाँ you.
Write, please write quietly.
सर us
Okay. You can write.
Sir, I. Allowed now? Sir, I.
Just do do one thing. I or sleep, cut it down. Yeah. 28 is the highest.
What?
Anybody know that already? 29. 30. You can scratch that for both. On and no, there.
बोल दे.
Erosion. Can you follow all the letters are there? Very good, erosion. In erosion, double O is there? Erosion. O twice. O is not twice. Yes, 31.
मिलता ना PON.
Highest.
PON.
What does that mean?
Sir, pause.
Okay. Anybody know the 39? Huh? 27. Let me read the points. First one is person, no? Okay, person. Then second is SUE, Sue. Then passion, super, pain, SON, sun, SER. Acha, sir. Okay. Then ROP, rope. You can follow that whether it's correct or not. RIP next. Ripe, prison, SUN, sun, RN, rand, run, ion, science, ion, iron, on, peace. PWS?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please stop. I'm not. So then next is Pune. Cut it. Cut it. Then SUVA, Sus.
हाँ सर.
Then no, then beyond. Acha, NEON. Then make, earn, most, PR per, PR par, in, us, as, are, sings. Then once, only one. Last two words are there, salt, SOU or sour test, and noise. SINS. No. See, you know, pap.
Pap.
Sign process.
We will stop for that activity.
मेरे ये भी लिख दे यार, ये भी लिख दे। लिख दे सकते हैं।
अंशुमन ये भी लिख देना जल्दी और
39 हो जाएंगे ना। कौन देख रहा है?
You're supposed to identify the error in the sentence.
They have been enhancing the quality of
Why?
internet since
So because we use since when the exact time is not given, but we have 10 years.
So,
For 10.
14
so 10 years is a calculated time. It is a certain time. How much it is? 10 years, 3 years, or when could we have used since then in the sentence?
For some since some years. Since 1990.
Okay, can you make a
When we
sentence?
don't know the year of
Yeah, use it in this sentence.
use since when they have been enhancing the quality of internet since some years.
Since some years or since 2010.
Since
Write it down, write it down.
1990.
Error and a correct sentence also. You don't have to write the correct sentence, but just make a correction there. Quick, please.
ये हिला मत रे।
क्या फाइनल आंसर
क्या?
फाइनल क्या है इस सेंटेंस
Since की जगह for लिख देना है, तो 10 years की जगह 1996 अपन का भी चाहता
नंबर्स लिख दो
My brother as well as
For first sentence, write this sentence, write that error sentence and make a correction only. Okay, you don't have to write a full sentence while writing an answer, so that you can remember it. Okay, so what error would you find in the second sentence? As well as an error. Okay, what's that you got?
No, sir. You have not.
Sir, it is reducible to
That is an
my
error.
Sir, it is reducible to my brothers.
Huh?
It is reducible to my brothers because both of them are my brother. Means it is not grammatical, but
You mean to say what should be used there? Brothers.
my brothers. Yes, both are my brothers.
My brother and as well as his brother.
No, my brothers are going to
No, I
presentation.
have to use my brother and his brother.
सर
Sir, his brother is also my brother.
One by one.
Sir, his brother is also my brother.
No.
Arey, my brother. One minute. Can I not say my brother and his brother are going to see a movie?
सर his brother is
Sir, India is my country.
How can his brother be my brother?
Sir, we are all Indians.
Huh?
We are all Indians.
Obvious. Okay. Any guess? The error is not about that the nouns here, my brother and his brother. Definitely my brother and his brother can go to see a movie or they can go anywhere they want in the city.
So because they both were friends.
Sir, is still
Ha. Yes.
come instead of now.
Okay, agreed. Why?
Actually, I don't know the
These are
exact one, but I know as well as is used
Okay, you
for
don't know
the-
that, but still you know the answer.
We know as well as when we use as well as. We use
Singular verb is followed. Ha.
when we use as well as singular. Yeah.
When we join two nouns here, my brother and his brother, they are two nouns and they are joined by as well as. So whenever they are joined by as well as, they are followed by singular verb. Okay, so this is the reason that as well as two nouns are joined by as well as. If they had been joined by and, that would have been correct. Okay, but here they are joined by as well as. So we will be using here is, not are. If there had been my brother and his brother are going to have something, are going to present a seminar. that would have been correct in that way. You write both the sentences so that there will be a clarity between these two sentences. Write it down somewhere. Written.
Sir,
And try to write one more sentence in the same context or same rule so that you can understand later on whenever as well as it's used.
Sir, I think that the singular or plural form of the verb is dependent on the subject near the
Definitely.
Word.
Right.
in this case or every conjunction case.
If they had been joined with and, then R would have come. But most of the time, these only are the conjunctions. Either or, we'll see that. Some sentences we'll see. Wrote. You are not right. Write one more sentence on your own so that there will be a kind of fortification of this in your mind. Okay, it will be well stated.
One of the finest
Agree?
superlative
I wrote there
degree.
the. Consider, I wrote there the. I have not, but I wrote.
Sir, he was
Instead of dancer, it should be dancers.
What she is saying is right?
Yes.
Suppose he's one of the finest dancers. When you are very finest dancer, then he's one of them.
Terry Egerton is one of the finest dancers. One of the finest dancers. And if I wanted to write only a dancer, what would I have written there? One minute. Why chorus answer, please?
Is the
You write the full sentence once, please. Say.
Terry Egerton is the finest dancer.
Yes. Terry Egerton is the finest dancer. She is the only finest one. But here there are some more as like as she's one of them. Means there are some more also. Okay. Can you say this sentence in a different way? I mean to say Terry Egerton is one of the finest dancers. Okay. That means there are some dancers as like as she is. Okay. So can we say it in any other way?
Sir, you are asking for passive voice. Sir, are you asking for passive
No,
voice?
no. See, what you are doing is just like finish off the sentence. Any other structure? Yeah.
Sir, are you asking for passive voice?
No passive
One of
voice.
the finest dancers, Terry Egerton is one. One of them.
Okay.
There are many finest dancers, including Terry.
Okay. Can I say very few dancers are as fine as Terry Egerton? Can I say?
Yes.
Or Terry Egerton is finer than many other dancers? Can I say it?
Yes.
So that also means the same only. Okay. Fine. All right. We should stop here. We will continue in tomorrow's session.
Sir, next week, sir.